If you want to make pickles, but you've always been kind of intimidated or you don't really know how to can or do all that, this is the perfect recipe for you. First, you're going to want to make your brine, and it's just water, vinegar, salt, and sugar. Bring it to a boil just to let everything dissolve and then take it off the heat. Then I added in some garlic, some peppercorns, and some fresh dill. Yes, I know my cucumbers are a little big, but honestly, we don't care that they're seedy and they're still good. So once I got that base layer done, I added all the cucumbers on top of that. And then I added more garlic, pepper, and dill on top. I was able to fit exactly 2 cucumbers into this jar. I crammed them in there really tight, like I packed them in there as much as I could. Pour the brine over everything and fill it up to the top of the jar. Mine was still pretty warm and it turned out fine. I just want to reiterate, I am not canning these, so I just screwed a lid on. These should be good in the fridge for like 3 to 4 weeks. Some people call them refrigerator pickles. I don't know, whatever. They're just pickles. The longer they sit, the better they are, but honestly, I tried these after 24 hours and they were really good. Literally so easy and the perfect way to use up your cucumbers.